everyone, it's Jillian and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do a quick video for you guys and it's an unboxing of my new Foxy fix. I did get the Himalayan salt and in the personal wide rings. So this is actually my first Foxy fix with rings. I'm pretty excited about it. I used to actually be in a Filofax A5 when I first started planning, and then I kind of got away from rings once I found traveler's notebooks, but I have seen so many people haul rings and do flip throughs of rings that I had to try it again. And two, being personal wide, it's very similar to the B6 size. So I'm pretty excited about that. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is what the box looks like. I just covered my information. The only thing, so this is what the box looks like. And the only thing I did do is cut this part right here with the tape. Open it up. That is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the stuff from the box just so it's a little bit easier to see. Okay, so this was everything that was in the box, and as you can tell, I did get some dashboards as well, but let's focus on the Foxy fix first. So you do get, normally they include 2 business cards. I don't know why, unless you just wanted to like give one to a friend, but so it does come with a couple business cards. And then it usually comes with a leather sample. Now this one is the Botanical Iris, which is like this really gorgeous like purple color. And maybe that's like a little bit better lighting. Really pretty. And then that's just what the back looks like. That's a really pretty color. I've never tried the Botanical. It does seem like it scratches pretty easily. So very similar to like the sugar leather. If you guys are interested in that. So really pretty. It does seem to scratch really easily. So in my opinion, it may be very similar to the sugar leather. But that is what that looks like. And then here it is. Actually, let's start it off with the dashboards first. Does that make sense? Maybe that doesn't make sense. Nope, let's just start with this. All right, so all Foxy fixes come in these little dust bags, which is really nice to store them in. And it is just a drawstring sack like that. And here she is. She's so pretty. So this leather is in the spice, and again, the color is Himalayan salt. I believe this was just their last release that they came out with this, but obviously the spice leather has been around. I did get the blind Fox and Pip bow right there. I got nothing on the spine. I didn't really think it was necessary, but I kind of panicked, and you know, if you've ever ordered a Foxy fix before, they make you go like, you have to fill out like 10 different item lines, and then it's like, all right, sign over your firstborn, and it's a really overwhelming, especially if you've never done it. Not to say that I've never done it, because I think I only have 2 Chic Sparrows and the rest are Foxy fix, but yeah, I don't know if it was because maybe I ordered it at like 10. No, I think I ordered this around like 1 a.m. and I was really tired and I really wanted it, and I was kind of going back and forth of whether should I buy it, should I not. I was gonna maybe see if I could try to get one secondhand, but then I know myself and I don't do well with that kind of stuff, so I just decided to bite the bullet and get it. But I did just go with the plain cream stitching and then the cream elastic, so it's pretty plain Jane. So, but other than that, I feel like I can restrap it at any time. So, and this is the only strap, so I could definitely switch it out if I wanted to, and that's totally fine. This is the first time I'm actually trying the blind emboss bow. Normally I do get a foil, so I'm actually digging it. So I may end up getting another one with the blind emboss. This is what the inside looks like. And so it's very similar to the Lush if you have a Lush. So it's got the diagonal pockets on the front and the back. The leather is super, super soft. Very flexible, very, you know, movable, even though it does have the double pockets. And then it does have the card slot. And it does have like the card slot pocket right there on the front and the back. I want to say that they use like a 2-inch ring. That's what it looks like to me. I don't know what, maybe that's a better angle. That's probably a better angle. So the rings are quite large, which is nice because that means you can totally stuff it. So this is what the inside looks like. And the rings are reinforced back here. And then on the back of the pocket, this is obviously where your elastic is, and you would be able to switch that out if you wanted to restrap it. So very similar to the Lush as far as the back pocket and then the 2 like diagonal pockets here. So that is nice if you're used to the Lush. Yeah, so like I said, I did get the personal wide. So let me see here. So it is about almost 7.5 inches tall and about 6 inches wide, if that helps. I am really happy with this. I'm really excited to try rings. I feel like it'll be amazing. So just to do a quick comparison, this is my sugar mochi, and I tried to convert it into rings. These rings are too big. So if you have a B6 size, you'll probably need an inch ring. I think this is 2.5 inches. So that's too big because I couldn't find inserts that fit, because if you look, the rings are huge and then you only had like limited space to put in an insert, and even my personal inserts did not fit. So that was a fail. But yeah, I was trying to convert it into rings just so I could just purchase like one of these and then kind of use my other planners so I wouldn't have to keep purchasing planners. But you can kind of see the size difference. It is quite a bit larger size-wise. And that's just because, you know, when it's folded like this, your inserts are not that big, but it's just because of the ring size. So this is also a color comparison. So this is a little bit, this one I would say is a little bit of a deeper pink. And then obviously the mochi is much lighter. But that's kind of the color comparison there. So hopefully that's easy to see. But yeah, that is the planner itself. And then I did end up purchasing some dashboards from Foxy Fix as well. Okay, so first I wanted to mention, I believe this is the flyleaf. Does that sound right? Does it say on my invoice? Of course not. Okay, I'm going to call it a flyleaf. If that's not correct, my bad. But make sure that you read the description. I don't know. I believe it comes with all personal wide rings. I'm not sure if it comes with all rings, but it does definitely come with the personal wide. And that came with the actual planner. And then it just helps your pages not to get caught in the rings in the back. So it kind of just lifts it. So as it'll pull it so it doesn't get caught in the rings back here. So that's what that's for. But I did order some dashboards. So let me see. It looks like I ordered 4 dashboards. And these are just the side loading. And then I ordered 2 of the top loading 2-pocket. So again, like these are not, and I ordered 2 of those. So these are not going to be super functional for me. Basically, they're just so I can decorate it and make it look really, really cute. I don't know why I ordered 4. I didn't know maybe I thought I was gonna have more inserts, but normally I'm good with 3. I don't know why I ordered 4. You know, sometimes I just don't know why I do things the way I do. But I ordered 4 of those. They only have side loading. However, you can get some on Etsy. I'm sure there's shops on Etsy that sell, you know, top loading. Yeah, these seem really short, but I guess not. All right, so that, I don't know if you can see that, but that's just what that looks like. And hopefully what I'll do is I'll create some stuff and then do a flip through. But that is just what the dashboard looks like. And then again, it's front, but it's side loading. So what I'll do is I will make a video on my setup. I don't know that I will film the whole like process, but definitely I will do a flip through for you guys. So I'm probably definitely going to put a vinyl on this. I feel like it needs that. Really cute. And then I love the fact that it looks like a TN but has rings. I think that's kind of the selling point for everybody who buys one of these. But I am really excited to try it out. So if you have never bought a Foxy Fix before or thinking about buying it, let me kind of go over pricing with you if you're interested. If not, that's cool too. But for the base price for the personal wide ring binder is going to be $135. And again, it does come with the leaf, the fly leaf. I think that's what it's called, the fly leaf. So no need to purchase one on its own unless you're replacing it. I mean, obviously if it breaks, I would purchase a new one, but you don't need to purchase one if you get a brand new one because it comes with it. To get a shape, I did a blind, so there was no extra fee to do a foil. So for the blind embossing, it's $3. And obviously I only got one, so it was just $3. If you were to do one on the front and then one on the spine, that would be obviously $6. And then on top of that, to do a foil, it's also $3. So, and when I talk about a foil, it's going to be like the I have on my mochi. So I have a rose gold foiled bow just on the front and then nothing on the spine. So that was $6 extra. Okay, and then for the vinyl dashboards, the side loading pocket ones, these were $360 each. And then the top loading 2 pocket were also $360 each. So my total was $144.76. Now that was using a coupon as well. I had some points for making so many purchases. So if you sign up for an account, you do earn reward points, and that was one of my reward checks or whatever. So I was able to use that, which was really nice. That's about how much it costs. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know when I'll be purchasing my next Foxy Fix. I'm actually trying to purchase a house, and so I need to save my money and not buy more planners, but I feel like I couldn't pass this up because it's pink. It's a really gorgeous color. I feel like it's not something I have, and it's very different from the mochi, in my opinion. I mean, the leather itself is completely different, and I've never tried the spice leather or the lush. I only have sugar. So it was something that I definitely wanted to try, and I was really excited to try rings at the same time. So yeah, that is her. I'm gonna have to think of like a name for her or something. Or is that creepy? I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.